Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today's video is sponsored by SVT Hair. They sent me this bomb 26-inch closure wig and I will be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this exact look. It is very beginner friendly, y'all, so let's get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy as much as I enjoy collabing with SVT.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe.
This is the completed look. Everything about SVT will be in the description box, y'all. Literally everything. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you are interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you. As I mentioned before, everything will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I did like this hair. The only thing that I did not like about it was the length. It wasn't supposed to be in a 26-inch, but it gave probably like 22, 24. But overall, it was good to maintain. Easy to maintain as well, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Everything will be in the description box. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.